Welcome to Quiz the Bible. If you are a new or returning subscriber, it is good to have you here. The following 16 questions are from the books of Exodus and Leviticus, except question 8. Attempt all as they promise to be interesting. Before we start, pause the video for a short prayer. Welcome back. Question 1. Who was the mother of Moses? A. Zipporah. B. Miriam. C. Jochebed. D. Elisheba. Correct answer, C. Exodus 6 verse 20. Question 2. In Leviticus, what offering is required after the birth of a male child? A. Burnt offering. B. Sin offering. C. Peace offering. D. Both A and B. Correct answer, D. Leviticus 12 verse 6. Question 3. How many years did the Israelites live in Egypt before living for the Promised Land? A. 450 years. B. 513 years. C. 430 years. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. Exodus 12 verses 40 to 41. Question 4. What sin does Leviticus 18 primarily address regarding relations? A. Idolatry. B. Adultery. C. Incest. D. Murder. Correct answer, C. Leviticus 18 verses 6 to 18. Question 5. Who accompanied the Israelites as they left Egypt in the Exodus? A. Aaron. B. Miriam. C. Moses. D. All of the above. Correct answer, D. Exodus 12 verse 41. Question 6. How often did the year of Jubilee occur in the Bible? A. Every 25 years. B. Every 50 years. C. Every 7 years. D. Every 100 years. Correct answer, B. Leviticus 25 verse 10. Question 7. Who found and adopted Moses, raising him as her own son? A. Pharaoh's daughter. B. Miriam. C. Jochebed. D. A servant in the palace. Correct answer, A. Exodus 2 verses 5 to 10. Question 8. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you is referred to as A. The parity rule. B. The rule of love. C. The golden rule. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Refer to Matthew 7 verse 12. Question 9. When Pharaoh's magicians replicated the miracles, what did they turn their rods into during the contest with Moses? A. Frogs. B. Serpents. C. Blood. D. Dust. Correct answer, B. Exodus 7 verse 12. Question 10. Which of the following events happened first? A. Mary visits Elizabeth. B. Zechariah regains speech. C. Birth of Jesus foretold. D. Birth of John the Baptist. Correct answer is C. Read Luke 1 verses 1 to 80. Question 11. What was the ninth plague that befell Egypt when the Israelites wanted to leave? A. Plague of frogs. B. Plague of darkness. C. Plague of flies. D. Plague of livestock. Correct answer B. Read Exodus 10 verses 21 to 24. Question 12. How many days did the plague of darkness lasted? A. 2 days. B. 3 days. C. 4 days. D. 5 days. Correct answer B. Read Exodus 10 verse 22. Question 13. When Pharaoh's magicians replicated the first sign, what did they turn water into? A. Frogs. B. Serpents. C. Blood. D. Dust. Correct answer, C. Exodus 7 verse 20. Question 14. In Leviticus 27, what was the standard monetary value set for a female from 20 to 60 years old when making a vow? A. 10 shekels of silver. B. 20 shekels of silver. C. 30 shekels of silver. D. 50 shekels of silver. Correct answer, C. Leviticus 27 verse 4. Question 15. In the third plague, what did the dust turn into, causing lice to infest Egypt? A. Hail. B. Gnats. C. Locusts. D. Ashes. Correct answer, B. Exodus 8 verses 16 to 17. Question 16. What did God use as a pillar to guide the Israelites both day and night during their journey from Egypt? A. A flaming sword. B. A bright star. C. A cloud and fire. D. A radiant angel. Correct answer, C. Exodus 13 verses 21 to 22. Thank you for sticking till the end of this video. Leave your scores in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe